velocity. Acceleration and jerk. Velocity, acceleration and jerk. Question. A car is moving in such a way that the distance it covers is given by the equation is equal to 4t square plus 3t, where is in meters, and R is in seconds. What would be the velocity? The velocity. And the acceleration. Of the car at time t equal to 20. Second. A car is moving in such a way that the distance it covers is given by the equation s equal to, that means displacement. S is equal to 4t square plus 3t in meters and R is in seconds. What would be the velocity and the acceleration of the car at t equal to 20? Velocity is equal to v is equal to derivative of s with respect to t, ds by dt is equal to, take derivative here, 8t plus 3. Velocity v, that is ds by dt. S is differential function of t, so ds by dt, derivative 8t plus derivative of 3t is 3. Now acceleration A d2s by dt square. Take again derivative of this, 8t is 8. Now these values we have to find at time t equal to 20. Now this is acceleration, derivative of this is 8, derivative of this is 0. Next step, we have to find velocity. Therefore, velocity v and acceleration. Therefore, at time t, velocity is equal to velocity is this at time t is equal to 20. At time t is equal to 20, velocity is equal to 8 into 20 plus 3. Where there is t, write 20. We have to find velocity at t is equal to 20. So in this statement, where there is t, put 20. Velocity is equal to 8 into 20 plus 3. That is 103. That is 163 meter per second. 160 plus 3, 163 meter per second. This is the answer. Next is acceleration. There is only 8 given. So answer at t is equal to 20. Acceleration is 8. Acceleration meter per second square. Acceleration 8 meter per second square. The displacement of a particle at time t is given by is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Find the time when the acceleration is acceleration is 14 feet per second square. 14 feet per second square. The velocity and the displacement at that time. displacement of particle at time t is given by h. That means right here. Displacement is equal to s is equal to 2t cube minus 5t, 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Displacement. Find the time when the acceleration is 14 feet per second square. That means first we have to find velocity. V is equal to ds by dt. S in t, so ds by dt. So take derivative 6t square. S is differential function of t, so ds by dt. Take differentiation 6t square minus 10t plus 4 into derivative of t is 1, that is 4. Derivative of constant is 0. Acceleration A is equal to d2s by dt square. S is differentiable function, again t. This is single derivative. Now here d2s by dt square, double derivative, that is acceleration. Take derivative of this statement, 12t minus 10. Now we have given acceleration is equal to 14. So write therefore 12t minus 10 equal to 14. So 12t equal to 24. Time t we get is 2. And next is find velocity and displacement at that time. At time t equal to 2, velocity is the statement 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Velocity 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Acceleration is equal to 12t minus 10. Put here t equal to 2, 6, 2 square, t is 2. Don't write this, don't forget this writing 4. So this is 4, 6, 24 minus 20 plus 4. Answer is 8. Velocity 8 feet per second. Velocity. Acceleration at t equal to 2. Put t is 2. Do here calculations. Answer is 8 feet per second. Next is acceleration is equal to 12. T is equal to 2. 24 minus 10 is 40. Now this is feet per second square. Acceleration, velocity, and we have to find displacement. Displacement we have to find. Acceleration, not asked, displacement we have to find. So displacement What is the statement of displacement? Displacement S is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Now displacement at time t is equal to 2 we have to find. So it is equal to 2t is 2, 5t is 2 minus 3. Now 8, 16, 10, 8 minus 3. 16 minus 10, 6 plus 8, 14 minus 3, 11. Displacement 1. See once again. 16 minus 10 plus 8 minus 3. 16 minus 10, 6. Two cube minus 5 to square is here. So that 8, 16 minus 4, 5, 20 plus 8 minus 3. Now 16 minus 4 plus 8 plus 4 minus 3. 1 unit is for displacement. Put displacement is put proper 2. Calculate 1 foot is the answer. Now complete exercise 2.1. Equation of tangent normal. Complete exercise 2.1. Complete exercise 2.1. Next application is approximations. Now question is find approximate value of root 8.95. Find approximate value of root 8.95. Formula of approximation is f of a plus h here equal to fa plus hf dash of a. Now this is a root term, so take nearer root to this term which is 9. If we take here 9 and if we take minus this term, we get 5. So take this as h but with negative sign. Since by taking difference of these two, we get this value. So this value we get by adding these two, but this is with negative sign. So remember this, a h. Therefore a and h values we have Therefore, now consider fx root x, fa root a, take fx is equal to root x, fa root a is equal to root a is 9, which is equal to 3 dash x root x 1 upon 2 root x, fx root x f dash x 1 upon 2 root x, fa root a f dash a 1 upon 2 root a 1 upon 2 root a is 9, root 9, that means 3 into 2 is 6, that is equal to 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Put in the formula, write this as one equation, put all the values in equation 1. Therefore, f of a plus h, if we see this is a and this is h, but with negative sign, so their value is 8.95. So f of a plus h we write as direct root 8.95 is equal to, is nearly equal to fa. See, fa is according to fa is 3 plus h is minus 0.5, f dash a is 1 upon 6. So write here direct value which we require, nearly equal to fa h f dash of a, nearly equal to 3 plus, now here is minus. Now if we divide by 6 we get 0.0, now here is again not is there, divided by 6, so 8 is there. So if we take this difference, 3 minus 1 0.08, we get 9. This is the answer, nearly equal to 2.992. 0.991, 2.992 is the correct answer. Right formula, take proper a and h so that their sum with signs is this value. Put, do proper calculations and you get this is the answer. Next question is, find approximate value of tan inverse 1.001. 1.001. Our formula f of a plus h nearly equal to fa plus h f dash of a. Now what is the e? Now this is the trigonometric function inverse. So take a as full value 1 so that we know tan inverse 1. So we take a as 1, h take 0.001 so that their sum is 1.001. so that their sum is 1.001. Then fx we have tan inverse x. Remember, this step is very important. So by considering the function, consideration of function is very important. Here question is tan inverse something, so we have to find fx tan inverse x. Last question was root term, so root x was taken. So fx tan inverse x. fx we have to find fx tan inverse x. fx tan inverse x. fa tan inverse x. Tan inverse A is 1. So whose tan is 1? Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Then f dash x. Tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. F dash a. fx fa. F dash x f dash a 1 upon 1 plus a square. fx fa. F dash x 1 upon x square. F dash a 1 upon a square. 1 upon 1 plus f dash a 1 upon 1 plus a square is equal to 1 upon 1 plus a square. A is 1, a square is 1 is equal to 1 half. 1 half is equal to 0.5. 0.5. Now put all these values in 1. Put in 1. Therefore, write this as question tan inverse 1.001 is nearly equal to fa is CFA. F is pi by 4. H is 0.001. F dash A 1.5. Put proper values. Pi by 4 plus take this product. Now this product is actually product is 5, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is point. This is the answer. Product is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. This is the answer. Pi by 4 plus 0.0005. This is the answer. Next question. We have to find approximate value. Fx is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at x equal to 1.99. Write formula. F of a plus h nearly equal to fa plus h f dash of a, equation 1, a and H we have to take. If we take here A is 2, if we take A is 2, so 2 take difference minus 1.199. Here is 1, 0, 0. Now if we add this with this negative sign, we get this value. This value we have to find. If we add this with this negative sign, that means if we take difference of these two, then we get this value. So write this H with negative sign, minus 0.01. As usual, Fx x cube 3x plus 5. Fa is equal to A cube. Fx this value, Fa in this value where there is x, write A. So A cube minus 3A plus 5. Put value of A 2. 2 cube 3 2 5. 8 minus 6 plus 5, which is 7. Seven is the value. Remember, Fa 7. Next is f dash x 3x square minus 3. F dash a 3a square minus 3. F dash x this value. F dash a 3a square minus 3. 3. A is 2. 12 minus 3, 9. F dash A, put all these values in 1. Put in 1. H minus 0.1. So value of this, that means right there direct f of a plus h is near equal to fa was 7, h was minus 0.01, f dash is 9. Seven minus 0.9, minus 0.9, not 9, minus 0.09. 7 minus 0.09. 6.91. This is the answer. 6.91. This is the answer. Next application is